Ladies, gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you'd like to create a local account on your Windows 11 PC, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you the very simple process. So let's dive in. So when starting up your PC for the first time, you will get this screen. And what you want to go ahead and do is click on sign in. Now from here, you will have to enter an email address. So at this point, you can go ahead and type in any letter or number in this space. Let's click on next. Now for the password section as well, we're going to go ahead and enter any random letter or number and click on sign in. Now this by default will give you the error message because of course your email address and password is not an actual email address and password. So you're going to go ahead now, tap on next. Over here, you'll be asked who's going to be using your device. So you're going to go ahead and add your name right over here and tap on next. You can now create a password over here, or you can leave it blank and tap on next. You'll grant access to location services and go through the rest of the setup of your new PC. Now, once you are redirected to your home page or your desktop, you will now see that you've started up, and when you log in again, you will be logging in with a local account. Now, if this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time. Peace.